Hi 10th class students, today we are discussing the page number 66 page. Do these problems. Let us see, all of you take your textbooks and read the problem here. If alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of the given cubic polynomials, find the values as given in the table. That problems we need to do. For that, I have to take my own two cubic polynomials. Here alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of these cubic polynomials. Now we need to find sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma, and sum of product of zeros taken two at a time, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, and product of zeros. How like you find that one? Already we discussed sum of zeros formula minus b by a, that is minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. Sum of product of zeros taken at a time, c by a, coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube, and alpha beta gamma minus constant by coefficient of x cube, that is minus d by e. These are the three formulas. In the same pattern we have to do this ones. Okay children, let us go through the problem. Here alpha beta gamma are the zeros. Alpha plus beta plus gamma formula already we discussed, minus b by a minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube minus 11 by 5. And second one, sum of product of zeros taken to a time, formula c by a. C means coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube, that is c by a formula, c value here minus 6, so minus 6 by 5, that is sum of product of zeros taken to a time. Last one, product of zeros, formula is minus d by a minus, here d value is how much? D value is minus 2, so that minus of minus 2 by a value coefficient of x cube, that is 5. Now that is 5. So once again, sum of zeros is minus 11 by 5. Sum of product of zeros taken to at a time is minus 6 by 5. And this value is minus into minus plus, that is 2 by 5. In the similar manner, we have to find for this one also, second cubic polynomial. Sum of zeros minus b by a minus of minus 15 by a value is minus 12. Minus minus cancel. 3 table will gone here. 3 4s, 3 5s. That is minus 5 by 4. Sum of product of zeros taken to at a time is c by a, that is 9 by minus 12. Cancellations will gone. 3 3s, 3 4s. That is minus 3 by 4. Minus transpose to numerator. And product of zeros taken to at a time, alpha beta gamma minus d by a minus 13 by d value is 13, a value is minus 12. Minus minus are cancel, you get 13 by 12. Okay, this is the two examples of this Roman. Children, now today we have discussed very important model, that is example 7 model. Example 7 also you have to do your own. If you have any doubt, just ask me. But I have to say one more problem that like. Let us see this one. Verify that 4 minus 2 1 by 2 are the zeros of 2x cube minus 5x square plus 11x plus 8. So these three are the said to be the zeros of the cubic polynomial, and then verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficients. Most important and most expected question from this chapter onwards. Very important problem. In the last 2 years, a free final or final, this question will be asked in the examination. So each and everyone learn this one properly. Very easiest sum, but little bit big one. Okay children. Let given polynomial be taken as p of x. P of x be taken as 2x cube minus 5x square minus 14x plus 8. Here given for us 4 minus 2 1 by 2 are the zeros of p of x. Given 4 comma minus 2 comma 1 by 2 are the zeros, that means roots, zeros of p of x. That means we need to find first of all p of minus 2. Substitute given polynomial. This is the given polynomial p of x, cubic polynomial. Find p of minus 2. Find p of 4. P of 4 find one time. 2 into 4 cube minus 5 into 4 squared minus 14 into 4 plus 8. 4 cube value you know that is 4 into 4 into 4. That is 64. 64 twos 128 minus 4 square value. This is 4. 4 square value is 16. 16 5s are 80. 14 4s are 56 plus 8. 128 plus 8 136 minus 80 plus 50. Just unit digit skip like that. 8 plus 5 13, that is 136 minus 136 plus 136 cancel, you get a 0. Finally p of 4 is equal to how much came? 0. Hence 4 is the zero of given cubic polynomial p of x. In the similar manner we need to find each and every one. Here already given for us, verify that all are the zeros of given polynomial. So we need to find p of 4. In the similar manner p of minus 2, in the similar manner p of 1 by 2. Now we need to find p of minus 2. First one is completed here. Second one, p of minus 2. Substitute in the given polynomial. 2 into minus 2 whole cube minus 5 into minus 2 whole square minus 14 into minus 2 plus 8. Minus 2 whole cube value you know that. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, that is minus 8. Minus 8 into 2, it should be minus 16. Minus 2 whole square is 4. 4 into minus 5, that is minus 20. Minus into minus plus, 14 2s are 28 plus 8. So finally the solution is minus 16 minus 20, that is minus 36. 28 plus 8, 36. Minus 36 plus 36 are cancelled, 0. So hence p of minus 2 equal to 0. Here also what you conclude that p of 4 equals to 0. Next we are going to for p of 1 by 2. Find p of 1 by 2. Third case, p of 1 by 2 equal to 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube minus 5 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 14 into 1 by 2 plus 8. 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 8 minus 5 into 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4. 2 1s, 2 7s, minus 7 plus 8. 2 1s, 2 4s. 1 by 4 minus 5 by 4 plus 8 minus 1, that is minus 1. And take LCM for this, the LCM is 4. So here denominator is 1. 4 dividing for one time, 1 into 1, 1. 4 dividing for one time, 1 into minus 5, minus 5. 1 dividing 4 times, 4 into minus 1, minus 4. So here 2x cube minus 5x square minus 14x plus 8. 8 minus 7 plus 1 here plus 1. Plus 8 to minus 7, that is plus 1. So here plus. So 1 plus 4 5. 5 minus 5 by 4. 0 by 4. That should be 0. P of 1 by 2 equals to 0. Hence, P of 4 value 0 came for us. P of minus 1 by 2. P of 1 by 2 equal to 0. Similarly, P of minus 2 also 0. In the three cases, we get the zeros. Now we need to find the relationship between the zeros. So, what is the relation between the zeros? So, first of all, we need to find sum of zeros. That is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, how much will come? This is alpha, second one is beta, third one is gamma. 4 plus minus 2 plus 1 by 2. 4 plus minus 2, 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 5 by 2. So, this can be written as, so take a screenshot each and every one, afterward write in the classwork. Okay children, take a screenshot. So, that is sum of zeros 5 by 2, I can be written as this one, plus 5 by 2, that can be written as minus of minus 5. That is minus, this 5 is what one? This 5 is coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube, that is equal to minus b by a. Minus, right, as usual, this is coefficient of x square is b, coefficient of x cube is a, minus b by a. The second one, sum of product of zeros taken 2 at a time. At a time. That is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. That is equal to, how much will come? Alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta means 4 into minus 2 plus beta gamma minus 2 into 1 by 2 plus gamma alpha 1 by 2 into 4, which is minus 8, 2 ones, 2 ones, minus 1, 2 ones, 2 twos, plus 2, minus 9 plus 2, that is minus 7, that is minus 7 by 1. Minus 7 means minus 7 by 1. What is minus 7 here? But actually there is no relation, minus 7 by 1. But I can be modified this one, these like 1 into multiply with 2, here also multiply with 2, that is minus 14 by 2. What is minus 14? Minus 14 is coefficient of x, that is coefficient of x by 2 is coefficient of x cube. X cube, that is c by a. Finally, the third one is product of zeros. Product of zeros, already we know the formula, alpha, beta, gamma, that is 4 into minus 2 into 1 by 2, multiply minus 8 by 2, that is minus 8 minus 8 is what one? Coefficient of constant term, minus constant term by minus 8 is the constant, so minus constant by 2 is coefficient of x cube, that is minus d by a. So, this is the relation between sum of zeros, sum of product of zeros taken 2 at a time, and product of zeros. Okay children, this is the end of the class. In this same pattern, you have example 7 problem and fourth problem in the exercise 3.3, and exercise in the do this, I mean not do this, in optional exercise, what problem? That is first problem. 2 problems are there. Optional exercise lo 2 problems ఉన్నాయి. ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం దాంట్లో కూడా ఈ 4 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయండి, బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ అవుతుంది. బై చిల్డ్రన్.